I often tell people that just because the flames don't hit your house or your building that you own doesn't mean that you don't have a fire claim. And there's two instances that people have to watch out for. The first is the radiant heat, and that means the flames are close by enough, so much so that they actually start to impact because of the heat, the fasteners of the building. They start to melt just ever so slightly, and the building's not the same as it was before. And you find a lot of this around windows and the other types of plastics that might be in buildings, as well as even metal fasteners that are very small and get impacted by that. The second part is smoke, and a lot of people forget that when you have smoke damage that can happen to a home, it comes from the smoke from the building that's next door, or it might be from a wildfire. There's all kinds of smoke. It gets very deep, and your own air conditioning sucks that into your structure, and the next thing you know, it's going through your air conditioning and then throughout the rest of the home. One of the first things people fail to realize is that you have all these time frames to give insurance companies notice with. As a matter of fact, in some states, you have 60 days to file a proof of loss, which is a formal document. If you fail to do so, you might not be able to even make a claim. And so we tell people often, if you have any questions whatsoever, we always give a free consultation to everybody who gives us a phone call. We try to provide guidance to them about what to do, give them practical advice, but just making the phone call to make certain so they don't lose their rights.